Hi everyone, this is Nikita and welcome to my channel. Off late, I've been feeling it. I've been feeling like uploading a new video. It's been a really long time. So here I am shooting a new one, talking about the usual accounting software migration with a lot more experience now. I believe that we are in an era where traditional accounting softwares are soon going to fade. The reason being that businesses are going to ask you to provide a software that can give them the entire picture. They want the reports, they want the accessibility. So I believe that we are in 2026 and we deserve better accounting solutions for assets. Here are a few reasons why you should move away from Tally now. It's high time. And I'm going to tell you some practical experiences that I've had of which businesses are moving or are planning to move and what are their reasons or perspectives. So one of the major reasons is that clients love accessibility. On the go, I want to be able to access my accounting solution, be it on the mobile phone or be it on the laptop. No matter where I'm traveling, if I want to work for a couple of days, I should be able to do it, or I should be at least able to access my data. So requirement of data is one of the major reasons people want to move to cloud. One of the other reasons that people love to move to cloud is that softwares like Zoho Books are going to give you the option of defining users and roles. Which users get to be a part of your organization and what are their roles in the organization. So for example, for a retail outlet, the role of the retail outlet will be that they should have access only to that one retail outlet, not the other outlets. And in that one retail outlet, they should have the access to add sales, purchases, and maybe credit notes. So you can define the level of accessibility that each person should have. You can also define whether or not a person should have the access to your balance sheet, P&L, or any other reports. We are moving towards an era where accounting software is just not to be looked at in silo as an accounting software. It's to be looked at along with the operations. So operations and accounting is going hand in hand. When I talk about operations, there are so many times in our trainings, we are training the operations guys how to maintain the items master and how do you add a sales order in the software, how do you convert a sales order to an invoice. This ensures that the operations and the accounting are working together in that one accounting software, and users and rules are going to help you set it up. What should the operations guys be able to see? How can they use the sales order module to track where the orders are and how far along they've come? One of the other reasons that people want to move is compliances. So compliances like GST, TDS can be handled very easily, right from e-invoicing to e-waybill to actually pushing the data via API to the GSTR1 portal is super easy in Zoho Books. Even setting up all of this is very easy. So it is time we look at a solution which is giving us everything in one place. And also, these softwares like Zoho are super easy to use. Their leaders had once said that it is made from the perspective of businesses and not just accountants. So as a business owner, if I have an issue that I am unable to understand debit credit, that's fine. Zoho is for you because it does not require you to understand debit and credit. It's easy to use. As a business owner, if you say that, listen, hey, I also want a solution for payroll, then there is Zoho Payroll, which can be tightly integrated with books. As a business owner, if you come and say that, hey, I also want a CRM solution, then there is Zoho CRM, which can again be tightly integrated. So the concept is that it's not just accounting that I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on a solution for the entire business as a whole. In fact, very recently, they've also launched their new solution, Zoho ERP, which is mostly right now focusing on 4 verticals: manufacturing, retail, distribution, and NGOs. And soon they might go to other verticals as well. Now, for manufacturing organizations, Zoho ERP will be an amazing solution because everything can be handled in one place. Right from your manufacturing operations to tracking your spends within the software, procurement within the software, all your accounting needs are taken care of, to your bank integrations, to making payments using Zoho ERP directly. all of this will be possible in Zoho ERP. So we're looking at a solution which is a holistic business solution, and we are not just talking about accounting. We are moving away from traditional softwares because traditional software is just going to talk about debits and credits. You don't want to be sending backups across platforms and saying, hey, I've made these changes and here's your new backup. On the other hand, you've already worked on something and now there's a mess. There are 2-3 backups and you don't know which one is the final one. Everyone wants to work on cloud now. You don't want to be exchanging backups. And if you want to work on cloud, your work is easy because everyone is accessing the books at the same time, but they're saving 10 different things. And whatever 10 different activities they're doing and saving is all getting saved on cloud. We have seen practically that a lot of businesses enjoy this about Zoho Books, and I will urge all of you to go and try. If you are a CA or a CA firm in India, you are going to be providing a holistic solution to your clients. It's not going to be just accounting, but it's going to be solutions that understand what the business actually needs. And it also is going to keep in mind the internal audit controls. Every time we are implementing Zoho for a client, we are changing their internal controls at team levels. These internal controls then go on to play a major role in how their internal audits are shaped. It's time we provide holistic business solutions to our clients, and Zoho Books is definitely the answer today. If you have any questions for me, please put them down in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer. My name is Nikita and I will see you in the next video.